Back in the book segment tonight, how do you feel about folks making money when you get sick? Here's what I said earlier in tonight's Talking Points memo. According to public records, profits for the top 5 health insurance companies rose 56% last year. However, the profit margin in the industry is just 2.2%, and that's not big. Another, however. According to the House Energy and Commerce Committee, some healthcare big shots are doing very well. At WellPoint, for example, 39 executives are paid more than $1 million a year. And last year, the company spent $27 million on lavish retreats for their brass. In a time when many folks are suffering, that is a tough pill to swallow, pardon the pun. With us now, Fox News business guy Stuart Varney. So this is really the crux of this matter for the American people. A lot of people can't afford to buy health insurance, but the health insurance companies are making some significant money, and the execs are living large. So what say you?
I don't believe that healthcare inflation, the rising cost of healthcare in this country, is the result of executive pay, perks, or profits. If you add up all of the profits made by the 5 biggest insurers last year, it comes to $13 billion. Take it off them. Confiscate it. Take away those executive perks and all that pay to those executives. Take it all away. What have you done? You've maybe got $14 billion.
Why are the prices rising then? In California, there is now a criminal investigation into some of the planned rate hikes. Blue Cross, I guess, is out there.
First, let me deal with that.
Why?
The investigation in California.
Right.
They're being investigated because they might have spent a bit more on marketing as opposed to actual health care. That sounds an awful lot like a legal technicality.
Okay, but the most important thing is, why do they want 39% price hike?
Okay, I asked WellPoint. I asked one of the top guys at WellPoint, why are you doing this?
Right.
Okay, he said, you've got a recession in California, 800,000 people go onto Medicaid, called Medi-Cal in California. The doctors who treat them cannot make money out of them. They lose money on every patient. They transfer that loss to private health people, privately insured people. Up go the premiums. It's because of the recession, it's because of Medi-Cal, and it's nothing to do with perks, pay, or profits.
WellPoint had a good year last year. I mean, they, you know, you can say, listen, yeah, you're screaming poverty, but you're not poor.
Okay.
You're making a healthy profit.
All right, listen to this.
And $27 million on retreats?
Okay, wait a second.
How long have you worked for News Corp?
7 years.
Okay. I've worked 13. Have we ever had a retreat?
Okay.
Have we ever had anything like that?
If you took the $27 million away, would it make that much difference?
Well, it doesn't matter. It's psychological.
If
you got people in the street, they can't afford it, and they're out at the Phoenician in Scottsdale.
Okay, it's all bad publicity. Got it. You're a Mets fan. I read your book. Are you equally really bent out of shape at Brian Schneider, Mets catcher last year? Batted .218.
No, because he made
$4.9 million, $1 million more than the person who runs.
I got it, but he has nothing to do with anybody's health, and that's where it comes into play. So look, 2.2% profit is not big, as I said. I'm trying to be fair.
It's
trying to be fair.
It's way down.
It's way down. But when you have the health insurance companies paying their execs $1 million and up and going out to the the Democrats and the liberals are going to seize on that to destroy these people.
But it's demonizing, and it's not right. You don't get good policy by demonizing whole industries and companies. We should not be telling legitimate capitalist organizations how much profit they can make and how much they can pay their executives.
All right, but the thing is that you're profiting off other people's misery.
That's
different.
You are providing a valid service. WellPoint provides a very good service. Of course, they're bureaucratic.
See, I wouldn't mind if everybody was competing in this
not a monopoly. In California, the Attorney General, Edmund G. Brown, he's suing 7 private insurers in California. He's investigating 7 of them. That's not a monopoly.
All right. Stuart Varney, everybody.